There's a nice little amenity, my Haven chocolate bar. So I'm in a double room just because that's what they had. But this is so nice. So this is a brand new section. It's called the Serenity Club. So it's kind of the VIP club level. And you get all these extra things like all these snacks and stuffed mini bar. It's restocked every day. I get a little welcome bottle of tequila. Oops. Lots and lots of closet space. This is all shelves. This is all hanging with robes and slippers. This is your room service box. So they can deliver it and pick it up without you having to put it out in the hallway. The bathrooms are private. They have a door that closes. Nice big shower. And it's just, over here's a nice makeup mirror. And private water closet. So again, this is the Serenity Club Ocean View. And it's really lovely here. Give you a last little look here.